guys see that car? That was awesome. Love that car. Alright guys, I have a great news for you. It's 2021. It's time to grow the channel, make it bigger, make it better. I'm gonna do more videos, try to make better content, better edits. And the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna give away one of those shirts. So just like this Daily Boosted shirt with the YouTube logo on the sleeve. All you have to do, you gotta like the video, subscribe, leave us a comment how I can improve the channel or make better videos. And then once you've done that, take a screenshot, go down below on the link in the Facebook, join my Daily Boosted Facebook page and put the screenshot down so I know you've done it. And then this way I can get you in touch and I can get you a dress and post the shirts. I hope you're the winner. I hope you get lucky. Alright guys, once again, thank you for watching my videos. I hope you're having a great time, and I'll see you in the next one. And maybe we're gonna make more of the giveaways, so stay tuned. No, it's alright. I'm trying to get the effect of driving off. Cheers. Man, that's such a nice car to drive. I love it. So there's going to be heaps more videos in 2021, which is this year, and super excited for it. And I tell you what, it's time to make the channel bigger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give away one of the shirts. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, I'm going to post it. What you got to do, you got to subscribe, you got to like the page, well, like man, how good is that car? That's And I have great news for you guys. If you guys want to get one of those shirts and you want to enter the draw to win it, all you gotta do Oh wow, did you guys see that car? Did you guys see that car? Great news guys, it's 2021. I'm going to try and grow a channel as much as I can. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to give away one of those shirts. You can't buy those shirts at the moment, but maybe in the future I will sell them. However, if you want to enter the draw to get one of those shirts in your size anywhere in the world, all you have to do is subscribe, like the video and leave a comment. Leave us a comment how you want to... leave us a comment... the best comment gonna win the shirt. By the way guys, if you guys want to enter the draw to enter, you gotta put it on my Facebook page, and then here we go. So it's about to start raining, so I'm gonna wrap it up. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you get lucky enough to win the shirt, which is awesome by the way. Alright guys, it's about to start raining, so I'm going to pack up. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you win the shirt. I hope you have a best comment. And I hope you... Alright guys, I hope you win the shirt. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Man. Stay tuned for the next video. And have a good one.